Welcome back to the channel, guys. And what do we have here? Famous label for you all, if you know what these are. Well, you look at those. These are our skinnies from Belak. Gonna cut a ton of weight down. So these are for the rear. Still waiting on the fronts to arrive. But this is what we've been waiting on. So these are our other set that we actually have here at the shop. These are the ones that they did for our 2015 Honda Fit that actually has the 10th gen, 11th gen turbo motor swap in it, which should be done here in about a month. Voided warranties, you can check out their YouTube. They're actually finishing up the wiring for us, which we'll have videos coming up soon. But yeah, got these. So I'm just waiting on some tires for these ones. They probably weigh like 6 pounds. So the whole setup for the track should take off of this wheel setup probably a good 80 pounds off the car. So we're just trying to do every little bit to get that record time for the 11th gen. Alright guys, I'll post part 2 video probably on Monday with the front set so I could show you. We got the full beadlock set, so we're actually going to use these on the 11th gen and our 9th gen Civic project car because they're the same lug pattern. They're going to be exactly what we need for both, so perfect stuff. Well, like and subscribe like always. We'll see you on the next time.